Hello. My dad's on his way down to join me at the firing range. And just for having fun, we had this little 22. It is clear. But as you can see, no grips. So let's see if we can use the false drawer front from an old vanity. It's solid oak. And make some grips for this so it doesn't look quite so sketchy at the range. Let's see if we can get them done. Oh, welcome to Post 5 Productions. I made these blanks out of pine a while back. They fit into the little groove there. And this is the old false drawer front out of oak. I was going to make a knife handle. So anyway, this should be thick enough to where I can trace it on here, cut it, and it'll be thick enough to get, and just rip the blank down through my bandsaw and get both sides of the grip. So, first part is to square this up, as apparently I was drinking the day that I cut this, and that is not 90 degrees. So let's square this off, trace this out, cut it out on the bandsaw, rip it, get going. So these lines that I marked to notch out for the gun are at kind of an odd angle. So I figure the easiest way to do it is I'm going to clamp it in here in a clamp. Set the block of wood down because otherwise I have the rubber catches when I go to run it through, to get that line straight with the blade. I'll show you here. Okay, so here I have it clamped, sitting on my block. That vertical line, I'm set it at the back of my blade. It's actually really good already. Oh. That looks good right there. So now, when I run this through, and I can watch it from the top. When it stops at that, when the blade stops at that line as I'm watching from above, it should also stop at the line below. Let's see if it works. It seems to have actually worked far better than I expected it to. It's that easy. And he actually just pulled in. So it's perfect timing. So I got a nice oak grip for the Pistola, the Skeletor 22. And now it won't look quite as janky going into the firing range to plink around and have some fun. Obviously didn't have time to put any lacquer on it, but debating if I want to lacquer or paint. We'll see what my dad says. Probably do lacquer since I use some nice oak. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. Check you next time. The name's Productions. Post 5 Productions.